Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have an exciting video. I am back, honey. I did not quit YouTube, don't worry. Let's jump into today's review. Today's hair sponsor is SVT Hair. I have installed a 26-inch 13x4, or as they call it, 4x13 frontal wig. This is in the deep curly texture. I know I told you guys that, I was gonna take a break, which I am doing, and I'm still in the process of clearing my mind. Anyways, we're gonna do a glueless install today. I'm not even really gonna clean my face off too much. When applying my makeup, I kind of just put it up to here, so I think we should be good. I'm actually really liking how the hairline is looking so far on this unit. It's giving pretty natural.
Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah.
So I do want to go in with a bit of lace mousse. This is a transparent lace.
The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking. But say bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
Going in with the foaming lotion.
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love.
I'm just going to define the part.
Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah.
And then we are going in with another Old Faithful.
It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, it's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that.
did bleach the knots on this wig before I installed her. This is what she looks like up close. Now I might have put too much tinted lace on her, but that's okay. It has a nice pre-plucked hairline, so I actually didn't have to pluck anything, which is great because I'm really not that good at plucking. 26 inch is missing a little something for me. 26 inch usually hits me about here, but this is definitely stretch length 26. To get the length, you have to stretch it. I know it's silly because we obviously don't wear our wigs in stretch length. Keep that in mind if you're getting this wig. As soon as I put this wig on my head, you guys, I knew it was gonna be fire. It has a nice pre-plucked hairline, so I actually didn't have to pluck anything. I did pick through her quite a bit to get her to look this fluffy, but the density is there. It's not a thin wig at all. In a different universe, this is what my natural hair would look like if I could have it my way. I love this unit, you guys, so much. It's so pretty. Like, definitely give it a 10 out of 10. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box, of course. I definitely recommend it. Super full. Love it so much. It's so pretty. It's just giving natural hair. Anyways, am I rambling? Yes, I am. We're still gonna do fewer videos. We're definitely gonna continue to do hair reviews, and when I build up my collection again to where it's large enough, I will sell some more units. So if you guys want to purchase a wig, of course you're gonna have to use the links in the description box. Anyways, guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Like the video and do all that good stuff. Share it with a friend. That concludes today's review. I'll catch you guys later in another video soon enough. Bye.